Are you still manually sorting scores and numbering your leaderboard by hand every single time something changes? There is a powerful Excel formula called rank that automatically. The problem is that whenever scores change, manually resorting and renumbering your leaderboard is a nightmare that leads to mistakes. One wrong move and your entire. Here we have a list of players in column A and their scores in column B. Click on cell C2, which is where we want the first rank to appear. Now type the rank formula. You will enter the. Let's break this formula down piece by piece so you fully understand it. B2 is the score you are ranking right now. $B$2 to $B$5 is the locked range. After copying the formula down to every row, Excel instantly assigns the correct rank to every single player in the leaderboard. Carol is ranked first with 9750. You just mastered the Excel rank formula and can now build fully automatic leaderboards and scoring systems that update themselves in real time.